Welcome back to our WordPress course. So yesterday we looked at how to get free domain and hosting for practice, for learning purposes. Yeah. So if you followed our video for yesterday, I'm sure you can be to this stage right now. If you didn't attend the live class, you can go to my YouTube channel and you watch, then you can catch up with us here. So today we are going to go to our control panel and we try to install WordPress on our domain that we created. Yeah, so if you're at this level, I know you're seeing this tab here, which has control panel. So what you have to do is to click on this settings icon, then it will take you to the control panel. So this is our control panel. Right now I can't take you through each tab because some of them might not be such important to you. Yes, so the only part that we're going to look at is this one, which has softwares, because at this point we are going to install WordPress to our domain. Yeah, so to install WordPress to our domain, you come to this installer. We have this one. It is called Softaculous App Installer. So you can click on it. Oh, down there is some WordPress icon. You can click on it and you install. So there are several apps here. These are all content management applications, but for us, we are going to use WordPress. This is the most popular one. Yeah. So you just click on install. The moment you click on install, it will take you to this interface. So what you have to do first, you have to choose the domain that you want to install WordPress. Okay. Now for us, we have this one. It's called Raspberry dot. Yeah, if you have many of them, you will see a list here. And another thing, you have to choose the version of WordPress. But by default, WordPress will choose for you the latest one. Yeah. But for some purposes, some people might want to use the lower version for some reasons. Yeah. Now for us, we're going to use the latest one. Yeah, another thing, you have to come here to site setting. You can put the site name. I can put here Raspberry Tech Solutions. Yeah. Now you can put here description of your website. You can maybe put a tagline if you have. Yeah, ours is where ideas click. Yeah, so that's my slogan or tagline. Yeah, so now here you're going to put a username. You make sure you put a username that you won't forget. Okay. Yeah, so you can generate some password or something to make it stronger. But me, I'll put mine. You know, I can't remember all this. Okay. Yeah. So now here you can put admin email. Maybe in case of some updates, some new features, you can get an email from WordPress. Yeah. So here you can choose the language, but I use English. Yeah. So now here you're going to install. So you're going to skip these advanced options and the theme. We shall look at that later. So then you install. In just a few steps, you're done installing WordPress. This takes a few minutes, 3 to 4. Sometimes it depends on the machine you're using or the internet you're using. So they are congratulating us for installing the software. Yeah, it is successfully installed. So if you click on this link of the domain we selected, If you click on it, it goes to another tab. So this is what we have now. So even if someone runs this link when they're in America or in another country, they can still see this. So this is the default theme that WordPress puts for us. So if I come back here, we have two links. We have this one, then we have the administrative link. So this link takes you where you will be doing all the settings for your website. Okay, so if I click on it, it will take me to the dashboard. But usually it's better you copy the link, and they are saying it is not secure, maybe because it doesn't have SSL certificate. We shall go to that later. So I recommend you put the link like maybe raspi.tunex.com/wp/login or /admin, so that you can put the email and maybe you don't forget it.